Good morning all of you. Class 4 Pine. Are you ready beta? Shana is typing. Good morning everyone. Good morning beta. I hope you all are ready. You all are fit and fine. Okay. Today your first class computer. I will take, you all know very well. You all know very well to me. I am SANGITA ma'am, right? Let's start. You all please take out your computer book. Class 4, you all please. Good morning, good morning. I am fine beta. Rajana. I hope you all are fine. Let's start. First chapter, input and output devices. Input and output devices. Can you hear my voice? Can you see the board clearly? Can you see the board clearly? Please reply me beta. Hope. Okay, fine. Input and output devices. And the previous class I discussed hardware and software, right? In class 3 we discussed hardware and software. Which one is called hardware? Which we can see and touch. That is hardware, and the software is a set of instructions. What Priyanka beta you have find means which one you find? I am fine, not find. Okay. Input and output devices, and previous class I discussed hardware and software. Hardware part we can touch and we can see, but the software we cannot touch and see. Software is a set of instructions. Without software, hardware cannot perform, and without hardware, software cannot perform. So, both are related. If you want to do anything in computer, then you need hardware and software both. Here is input and output devices. Input and yes Priyanka, now listen, whatever I am explaining, please listen to me carefully. And the input and output devices, through the input devices we can send the data to the computer. If you want to do anything in computer, you have to send the data to the, you have to send the input into the computer, right? Without sending Triponna, without sending the data, computer cannot do anything. After sending the data, computer will process inside the CPU, and then we can see the result. Through the output devices. So, through the input devices we can send the data to the computer, right? We can send the data through the input devices. What are the input devices? Keyboard, mouse, these are very common input devices. Through the keyboard we can send the data to the computer, okay? And mouse, it is also input devices, it is a pointing device also. We can instruction through the, we can select, we can instruct to the computer through the pointing device, and many other input devices are there. We know very well computer 4 main parts. These are the keyboard, mouse, monitor and the CPU, right? And keyboard and mouse, these are the input device. Inside the CPU we can process, it is a processing device, and we can see the result on the monitor. So, monitor, it is a output device, okay. Other peripheral devices is also there, printer, speaker, microphone, headphone, these are other. UPS also is there. Page number I am written, page number 9 already done. And let us see, input devices, input device, the device used to enter the data and instruction into the computer, right, is called input devices. What are the input devices? I already discussed keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, optical mark reader, OMR, optical mark reader, and there is smart card reader, web camera, These all are web camera. Now I am using web camera. Using the web camera I am taking your class, right? Web camera, the joystick, these all are the input devices. These all are input devices. Which one? Ishan, you cannot listen to me. Others can listen to me. Others can listen to me, beta. Okay, fine. Ishan, maybe your network problem, you just leave the class and join again, maybe your problem will solve. And keyboard, I already told keyboard, it is input devices and very common input devices keyboard and mouse. Other than keyboard and mouse, there is web camera, optical mark readers, scanner, light pen, smart cut reader. These all are input devices. Through this device we can send the data to the computer. And the output device, what are the output device? Printer is output device, and monitor, we can see the result on the monitor. When we see the result on the monitor, it is called soft copy, and when we take the result on a paper through the printer, it is a hard copy. So very common output device is monitor and printer. Other than monitor and printer, other output device is speaker, also a output device. Okay, and now I will discuss keyboard. You all know keyboard is an input device and keyboard has many keys, and standard keyboard has 104 keys. You all know very well. Keyboard is there are keys at the different categories, keys are there, right? Different. Okay. Shankolon, you also use web camera, very good. And now there is a different type of keys are there. Some are alphabet keys and numeric keys. These are called typing keys. For typing purpose, we use the alphabet keys and the number keys. A to Z number alphabets are there, and 0 to 9 numbers are there. Tripanna, oh, you also, very good Tripanna. And now next is some other keys is function keys, F1 to F12. These are the function keys. Okay, Rajanna, okay, fine, very good beta. Shana also, you all use the web camera, fine, very good. And now, and some navigation keys are arrow keys, up arrow, down arrow, that is the cursor control keys. Which one? We know that cursor control keys, up, down, right and left. This arrow keys is under of the navigation keys, and page up, page down, home, end page, these all are in under of the navigation keys. And the control keys, CTRL, ALT, Alt and Control, these, and Windows logo key and Escape, ESC, these are also control keys. Okay, Shampurna also, I am doing the class from computer. Okay, very good, fine. You use computer, it will be better than the mobile. It is a big screen, okay, and it will not damage your eyes, better if you use computer. And now there is a mouse, and you know Control plus I we use for writing italic. After writing this paragraph, if we select this and then Control I, and then we can write in italic. And in the also is the italic symbol is there, using this one we can write in italic also. And the mouse, it is a input device and also it is a pointing device, right? A mouse is a handheld pointing device used to control the movement. It's control the movement of a pointer to select or click the icon and open files. If you want to open a file, we use mouse, double click, open a file. If you want to select, we single click. If you want to select anything, we just click once, that means single click, or we can say it's the left click. Okay. And it also, we all know a mouse has two buttons, Champurna use laptop, fine, very good. And Rajanna use computer, laptop also, okay, very good all of you. And a mouse is also used to draw the picture. We all know very well, if you want to draw something without mouse, we cannot draw. Mouse help us to draw in computer. Mouse help us to draw in computer, okay. What happened? Sampurna, any problem beta? Okay, nobody will cut the call. Now, here is light pen. Light pen, it is also a, and after the class you all will write P, your name and P, so that I can take your attendance, okay. And light pen, it is also a input device. Using the light pen is a pen like a pointing device. It is used to select object on the display screen. In our smart class, when we are taking, and the stylus we use, that is also like a light pen, and light pen is used to select objects on the screen, select object on the display screen. It helps you to draw object on the screen. Using the stylus, using the light pen, we can draw the object on the screen, okay. It is also a input device, and light pen also is used to select an object on the screen by simply pointing at it. Simply just pointing with using the light pen, we can, and sometimes we use that pen in computer also, okay. It is only used to CRT monitor. It is used by, in which type of monitor we can use that light pen? Only CRT monitor, cathode ray tube, very first that type of monitor we used. Only that monitor we can use light pen. LED LCD monitor we cannot use this pen, okay. And it is used by engineers, designers or architects. They use, I can't to you. Shagnik, you cannot listen to me. You can't see or you cannot listen. Which one? I can't. You can't you means you cannot listen and cannot see. Both. Now scanner. Scanner, it is also a input device. Through the scanner, we can send the image or text into the computer. Suppose you have drawn a beautiful picture in your drawing copy, but that particular drawing you want to send your friends through the mail. You can send it. If you have the scanner, we can take that image, and through the scanner you can send your picture into the computer, and after that you know very well how to send your image to your friends. Like, so scanner, it is also a input device. Scanner is also an input device, and that reads the text or the pictures printed on a paper and transfer them into the computer. Anything it is on a paper, you can send that, maybe a text, maybe a picture, you can send that data to the computer through the scanner. How? The most commonly used scanner in the flat bed scanner, that has a flat tray with the glass. Look, this one is scanner, and that surface is a flat and the glass, so that it image can take. And bed scanner that has a flat tray with the glass excuse me, glass pan and a covering lid, and it's a covering lid, and this is a scanner. Through the scanner we can send the data to the computer. It is an input device. Next is optical mark reader, OMR, optical mark reader. And in Olympiad exam you have given someone, maybe you all have given, and there you just correct answer you just circle with a pen or pencil, right? That is a how to check that answer sheet? Through the optical mark reader. It is used to scan answer marked on a special sheet with a pen or a pencil, and then sheets have the 4 or 5 circles. One has to color the correct circle on the sheet. You know very well in your some few exams, we just do this one in this manner. Through the optical mark reader, we can check the answer. Maybe 4 option, 5 option will be there. With correct answer, you just circle. Okay, through the optical mark reader, we can check the answer sheet. Smart card reader. Smart card reader, you have seen that the shopping mall they are using, your parents are using the smart card. Metro card or debit cards are cards with some information stored in it. Some information stored in it. When this card comes in the contact with the card reader, the stored information is read by the software and display on the screen. On that screen, we can, when we scratch it, we can see this one. This is called the smart card reader. Through the smart card reader, we can payment. Okay. And a web camera. Web camera, this is a web camera, this is also a input device. Web camera, it is also a input device, and this device is web camera is a camera attached to the computer. Obviously, my camera is also attached to the computer so that you can see. And can computer images and live videos. Now it is going on live videos, and the live videos which can be viewed on a computer. Now this capture to me and you can see on the computer, right? And we can share this image with our friends or other and have live chats using the internet. Obviously, we need a internet. Without internet, we cannot connect each other, and through the internet we can share it. We can share the chat, you can send and I can answer me, and I can also answer you, and you also chat with your friends sometimes. I have seen. Ishan, the call is ended automatically and the picture is very hazy. What happened and not, I don't know actually. Better today input devices I discussed. Next class I will discuss output devices. Okay, and who are present? Please, who left the class just now? Who are present, please write down P so that I can take your attendance. Otherwise, I cannot take your attendance better. Who are present, please write down P. Okay. For today this much, you all will read the chapter thoroughly, and next class I will discuss output devices. Okay. Aniket Dash, Anjushnu Kaur, Anushree, Dash, Avijit, Ayush, Divyanka, Ishan, Jishnu, Lopamudra Dash, Naurin, Priyanka, Rajana, Shagnik, Sampurna, Shana, Shauri, Triparna. Who left the class? Who left the class? I don't know. Okay, who have here? I have taken their attendance. Okay, for today this much. See you next class, beta. Thank you. Bye all of you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.